This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jacqueline Borbon. Enjoy a carefree lifestyle in this bright and spacious unit with a comfortable split floor plan and modern upgrades. Large bedrooms with generous closet space, in-unit laundry and a beautiful kitchen with bonus area. This boutique building is in a prime location on Coral Way close to beaches, downtown Miami and walking distance to Coral Gables Miracle Mile with its famed restaurants and shopping. This unit comes with 2 secured parking spots, immaculately maintained common spaces, gym, meeting spaces and a quiet relaxing pool area. For more information, review the details below.